Unless he'll take it on this side, pero dapat yung angulo niya perfect. Straight dapat. Has to take the short side.
Opts for that other side.
Yun
Let's
lang nga,
see.
I'm telling you about that 9 ball kanina, Doc Nicky.
There you go.
He's gonna use an extension
Dahil
here.
konti na lang din ng mga bola dito,
Oo.
Noel. Napakahirap ng isipan dito ng tago. And that's what he
Intentional
did.
foul.
Our reigning 10-ball world champion.
Luluwa ito. And Kinay is also done. Counter safety dapat ito, but
Yun na.
yun talaga, with conviction. Short side na niya kukunin yung 9, hindi na niya susugal na. Gets it.